What's up guys, this is Virgil Bunao, rhymes like Bunao not later. Welcome to the channel. Today in this video I am going to drive around with Lindsay around our town and shoot this camera. It's a Mamiya RZ. It's a medium format camera, and today we're going to shoot with Ektar 100 by Kodak. So we're going to look for places that are just popping in color, especially red and maybe yellow. So follow along, let's go. Alright guys, so 3 essential things that you need to have when you're out shooting a film camera is A, you need to have a film camera. B, you need to have a light meter. This is a Sekonic Model 358. They don't make this model anymore, but you can find things online. I'm putting a link down below for the light meter and film. I'm shooting 2 rolls of film, 2 rolls of Ektar 100.
Kodak Professional Ektar 100 is a daylight balanced, color negative film characterized by an ultra vivid palette, high saturation, and an extremely fine-grained structure. Utilizing the cinematic vision film technology, this film's smooth grain profile pairs with a microstructure optimized T-grain emulsion to make it specially well suited to scanning applications. And advanced development accelerators offer extended versatility when making enlargements. Ektar has a nominal sensitivity of ISO 100 and advanced cubic emulsions, and proprietary DIR couplers render it with high sharpness, fine detail, and a well-defined edge quality. The combination of rich colors, fine grain, and optimized sharpness benefit this film's use for nature, travel, and outdoor photography, as well as fashion, product, and other commercial applications.
My goal today is to shoot and show you every frame I've shot from these 2 rolls of film. My other goal for this video is each subject or each location, I'm just gonna shoot 1 photo. So this camera, you can shoot up to 10 frames of film. So with 2 rolls, that's 20 pictures that I'm going to show you at the end of this video as a result. Now we have everything we need to go out and shoot. Let's get to it. Let's go, let's go. So we're in this gas station. This is our first location. And what I'm really looking for is some color that'll pop on the film. And I'm also looking for direct sun hitting my main subject of the photo. So that's, I'm gonna park right now and just kind of walk around. So let's go. I am setting my light meter to ISO 100. That's the box speed of the Ektar film. And just measure the light and get a light reading. So right now at f8, 2/50th of a second is what it's giving me. So I'm going to overexpose a little bit and shoot at 5.6. All right, here we go. 1 shot, see what happens. I love that sound. All right, here we go. We can knock out 3 locations here. Let's go. Ooh, I really like that location over there. I know we got three things here, and I thought I was done, but this is kind of cool because there's not a lot of cars, and there's that yellow. I'll show you. Let's go. Overexpose and do 1/125th. This location right here, this right here is kind of cool. I like the yellow and the blue skies, and I like the emptiness of it. Okay, here we go. Four. All right, that's that. I just gotta get this truck. All right, let's roll. Number 6, maybe 7, I don't know. I'm gonna time it when there's no car. Here we go. We're getting some light reading. 1/60th of a second at 5.6, ISO 100. I always drive by this place and it's so interesting to me. We are here at this gas station, Sunoco. I drive by this gas station almost every day and I'm just so fascinated when the sun is right on the roof. The color just pops. So let's go get one frame from this gas station. So right now I'm reading 1/250th of a second at 5.6 aperture, still at ISO 100. All right, I'm gonna back up a little bit over here so I can get that red car. One thing about Ektar 100 is the red really pops in this film. When the sun hits the red, it just looks so awesome. And it's beautiful. I love it. I wish I could shoot it all the time. One more frame in this camera. Let's go. Perfect. All right, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Thank you. There you go. Ooh, look at this car. Boom. All right. I'm reshooting this one because he just put out the funnel cake sign and now open and all the banners. It just adds a little bit more color. This car is a dream. It's exactly what I am looking for this video. I'm shooting at f5.6. Shutter speed is 1/125th of a second. I have 2 more shots. Well, almost at the end of the road. So I'm here at the last location, the 10th frame on this roll, the 20th overall with our 2-roll adventure, and I found this. Aperture 2.8, 1/60th of a second, Ektar 100, last shot. Boom! Okay guys, we're gonna wrap up the episode right here. I hope you enjoyed it. That's how I shoot my Mamiya RZ with the Ektar 100 by Kodak. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below or shoot me a DM or a message. My info is right down here. Hope you really enjoy it. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and tell your friends about our YouTube channel. Thank you so much again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!